Hello everyone, me Azad from Ayodhya, and today I'm going to start 30 days English speaking challenge. And in 30 days I will tell you everything what kind of thing I do for my English language. And this is day 1. In day 1 I will tell you why I started to learn English language. What is my purpose to learn English language. So let's start with day 1. Today I want to tell you why I started to learn English speaking. I believe everyone has purpose to do something. I also have reason to learn English speaking. As I told in my previous video, I do business and most of the time I get orders from South region. And while communicating with some customers, I faced many problems. English speaking. There were many situations where I wanted to explain something to my customer, but I couldn't communicate properly. And sometimes I knew what I wanted to say, but I couldn't find the right words. And sometimes I understood what other people were saying, but I couldn't reply. And because of this communication problem, I lost many orders from South. And that was the moment when I realized something. If I want to do my business in South region, I have to learn English speaking. And during these 6 months I have learned grammar, I have learned vocabs, I learned like grammar and during these 6 months I have learned grammar, I have learned vocabs, I watched many English videos, I read books, I did lot of things related to English. But I realized one thing. Learning English and speaking English are two different things. That's why I started learning English speaking, and I have been learning English speaking around 6 months. You can know grammar, you can learn vocabs, you can understand videos, but when you have to talk with someone, you feel nervous. And that was happening with me when I got interact with someone to talk in English language. I was getting nervous. Every time I was getting nervous. So now I want to change that. That's why I have decided to start 30 days English speaking challenge, and I'm going to speak English speaking every single day for the next 30 days. And I will record myself, I will do self talk, I will try to speak in English language, I will rectify my all grammar mistakes. like uh, I will do everything whatever I can do. And yes, I know one thing, definitely I will make mistakes, but I believe in one thing. If I'm making mistakes, so it is the result. I'm doing something. It shows I'm doing something. I'm not sitting like I'm just thinking about my goal, I'm just thinking about my work. No, I'm doing something. So this is day 1 of 30 days English speaking challenge, and I'm going to speak English language for every single day for the next 30 days. And I think maybe you can understand English, but when times to come speak, you can't speak or you don't speak. So if you are also one of them, you can join my journey. You can also, if you know how to speak, you have good knowledge in English language, you can also suggest me what kind of things I can do, what kind of thing I can improve while speaking, while talking with someone, while making this video. You can tell whatever things you can suggest me, because I know I'm a beginner, I'm also learning English speaking, I'm improving my English language. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, comment and share to your friend who want to improve their English language. Thank you for watching this video.